We are back at it again here with another video, and we're going to jump right into it here with CEI, and we're going to talk about what 42 Vision is showing, as well as Ultimate 42 Vision on the 30-minute, the 4-hour, and the 1-day, and what the days to cover is looking like I've talked about in the previous videos, and the behavior that it's showing and how it's reacting to these days to cover in the charts. But before we break it all down, I want to share with you guys the home run opportunities I mentioned this morning, and if this is something that interests you and you want to get on early with us, check out the link down below in the description to the Discord. We look forward to having you join us, and we're going to jump right into it here with CEI, the short interest, days to cover, and what the charts are showing. So the home runs of the day were spectacular and beyond expectations, and if you want to get on early with us every single morning, we strive for opportunities like these every single day. Check out the link down below in the description to the Discord, and by joining, you'll become part of a growing community of investors all looking to learn and grow together. So these were the stocks I mentioned this morning, OCUP and BFRI. Now let's go ahead and see how they performed. So this is OCUP. It was pulling downwards on 42 Vision. It was showing weakness. It got that bear indicator, which is an upgrade coming soon to 42 Vision on Ultimate 42 Vision, and it sat sideways, having jumps of 5 to 10%. But on its dip, right after the bell and that rip, it gave us a highest point of 20% plus. That bull indicator came up, and quickly after, as it started transitioning into weakness, that bear indicator popped up. Now BFRI, we caught this one in the middle of its run in the pre-market. It sent that bull indicator since yesterday in the aftermarket hours, and all the way into today, it had full strength. We caught this one in the 4s, and towards the bell, it had already went up nearly 40 to 50%, and through the ups and downs, it gave jumps of 5 to 10%, 10 to 20%, but its highest point was nearly a 50% plus move, almost reaching 70%, guys. And it sent that bull indicator since yesterday, and it did not send a bear indicator until that transition of weakness into the 650 range, and it started pulling downwards. So if this is something that interests you and you want to get on early with us, we strive for opportunities like these every single day. Check out the link down below in the description to the Discord. We look forward to having you join us. Let's jump into these charts. So with CEI, the stock has actually gone up today, and we have some key levels to look at. It's showing strength here on 42 Vision, and if we go ahead and put the 1-day, you could see that shift actually trying its best to hold up, but it's in a downward trend. So even though we bounce back up, it does not mean that the overall trend is upwards. On the 1-day, on the 4-hour, let's go ahead and see if it's reversing. You could see that there is some type of reversal forming here, and this is what I've talked about in my previous videos. Okay, we wanted to see those candlesticks pushing upwards, dark green, and transition from dark green with red borders to dark green with green/blue borders. Now, the next part of the puzzle would be these candlesticks right here, right? The green bars going upwards, going into strength, and transition into that upward momentum and strength. And we're seeing it here actually start to form, but it's not guaranteed yet on the 4-hour. Now, if the 4-hour can bring the 1-day with it, there will be some possible strength here. Now, Ultimate 42 Vision is what we want to keep our eyes on, and it's showing a bull indication here since way back here at 131. It went up to the 150s, came back down. It has not given us a bear indication, and it's still holding true. That bull indication, if it continues, it won't send out another one. If anything, that has been bullish since those specific levels were met, and through all the volatility, it means that there's still possibly some strength here based off the charts. But that's just here with the 4-hour. If we look at the 30-minute, this is where we know what's been going on in the last few days. This is how powerful, right, that bear indicator was. I stated it in the video for the last 2 days on Monday and Tuesday, how through this volatility, it was signifying that weakness was coming. The weakness came yesterday, and this is the point where it's exciting as an investor with 42 Vision, because every time that pops up, there tends to be a reversal. Usually some are stronger than others, some are weaker than others, and you could see here how that reversal started to form. And I stated yesterday, if it continues, it can go up higher. Well, it pulled back down, and it came back up. So it sent that bull indicator here, it pulled downwards, we got the bear indicator, hit lows here of 126, another bull indicator has popped up, and we've hit highs here of 139. Now we have some key levels though to watch, and this is in a very unsteady spot, and this is why, because this pull down up, if it cannot hold itself up here or do the next leg up and bring itself up with the 4 hour, the next point will be further weakness, because it's tried to get out of here and break out of here, and if it can't hold it up, it's going to lose traction very, very fast. Now, why is this happening even when the stock has no momentum of any catalyst or news? Well, it has to do with the days to cover. It is so low, 0.25. Short interest is not even that high. And also short volume in the last 2 days has gone down. It was up yesterday, right? This confirms the information at 55. It went down, the short volume for the day. And today it was 38 and it went up, confirming how they're taking advantage of the days to cover. And also short shares availability went up to 1 million, meaning that covering is happening. And what happens is, with this days to cover being so low, here on CEI, the shorts go ahead, they cover their positions, and then they re-short it when they feel comfortable or see it go high enough, like they did here. They re-shorted it from way up here all the way back to here. They covered here, they covered here. We don't know how far up they're going to let it go, and then all of a sudden they're going to re-short it and bring it right back down. Super important to be aware of this tactic and trading strategy that the shorts use to go ahead and confuse investors through the volatility of the market. And that's my goal with 42 Vision. You can gain access to it. You gain access to the daily watch list, weekly watch list, and the 42 Vision indicators by checking out the link down below to the Discord and using the 42 Vision tier level, because this upgrade of Ultimate 42 Vision, the bull and bear indicators, is coming soon. But so far, we have the 2 premium indicators that are out that bring clarity to the charts. When there's strength, when there's weakness, and through the volatility, you can see the same when there's strength and when there's weakness in the charts within all time frames and live updates within the charts every single moment and day, no matter what time frame you're using and no matter what stock you're charting, crypto, currencies, and also Forex. Anything that you want to go ahead and chart here on the screen. As always, guys, I look forward to seeing your thoughts down below. Thank you guys so much for watching, and let's make some money.